Hey guys, welcome to BTech. It's Basil here recording a full HD video sample on the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8.4. The Tab S8.4 has a beautiful 8.4-inch Quad HD display which makes for a fantastic viewfinder. It's actually pretty viewable outdoors. We wouldn't actually recommend using most tablets as cameras, but this one's kind of the exception because it looks so striking and it's so slim and portable. Makes for a decent camera experience. Pointing it at the sky and then slowly panning into some foliage, we can test out the exposure shifting, and you can see that was quite sudden right about that point that it just shifted into place. It's evaluative exposure shifting, so it takes the whole scene into account. While we're in that foliage right there, we can actually test out the digital zoom by pulling right in on an apple, for example. It can go up to 4 times digital zoom, and that's exactly how far we are in now. We can tap the screen on the apple to make sure we're refocusing, holding it as still as we can. We can now pull right back out and test out the macro capabilities of this device. So once we pull in, it's on autofocus, so it should automatically refocus. Give it a second. If it doesn't refocus by itself, then we can actually tap the screen and override that. And try that again. There you go. So that's focused in on the apple in the foreground right there. We can see that it's locked exposure once we've tapped, so we can pull up a little bit closer, tap again, and see that's pretty much the closest focal distance that we can get to on the device. Pulling in, that's zooming in digitally, and pulling out. If we take a step back, we can see how we can create some silhouettes with this thing, tapping on the foliage to refocus, and then once again digital zooming, to give you an idea of exactly the kind of detail that you can get with that 4 times digital zoom. So that has been a full HD video sample shot on the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8.4. If you liked it, make sure you click like. If you want more samples, make sure you click subscribe, as we'll be posting samples on most devices we get. All our samples are also downloadable. You can get them in the media file links in the description below. So make sure if you want the unadulterated, unprocessed version of this, if indeed you are thinking of getting one yourself, check that out. And also the full review will be live on btech.com and on our YouTube channel soon. Thanks for watching.